side of your clutch. Or your clutch forearm, I think. Woo! Crackly stuff. So they don't believe in safety emissions tests here. Sorry. Alright, so this is a Pakistani traffic jam. Okay, freedom. This traffic is very slow. It's gonna take me a lot longer than anticipated. It's freaking hot and I have to pee. But by far, the worst traffic I've experienced so far in Pakistan was definitely Karachi. The most hectic. Karachi traffic sucks. Congested city of Pakistan that I've traveled so far. Welcome to Karachi traffic. It sucks. And people keep hitting me. I still have 160 kilometers to go. Google says 5 hours. So I'm in Abbottabad. That's the one. I'm in Abbottabad. So apparently this is the worst of the traffic, and after that it's great. Oh, snaky. Assalamu alaikum. आपके क्या है? जी ठीक ठाक है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
कहाँ से आ रहे हैं आप? कहाँ से आ रहे हैं आप? कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
Canada.
Where from you? Canada?
Canada. अच्छा.
What for purpose?
Go around Pakistan.
Around Pakistan?
अच्छा, to promote peace, to share with people the love of Pakistani people.
Can I take you?
अच्छा.
A selfie?
Selfie, okay. But there's no problem?
No.
Okay, you just wanted to
We
say
are
hello.
police officer, no any problem.
Okay, I must go now. Thank you. It's nice to meet you. Allah Hafiz. बहुत शुक्रिया. अच्छा. Thank you. Only in Pakistan do you get pulled over by the police to have a selfie. I thought, am I speeding? They said since the check post, which was like 10 kilometers back, they were trying to catch me. I actually learned to ride a motorcycle in this kind of traffic. One of the first countries I rode across was Vietnam, and the traffic there is nuts. So this sort of thing, I'm kind of used to it. I've been doing it for 15 years now in all sorts of cities and all sorts of countries all over the world in insane traffic, and actually I kind of like it. I get this weird thrill. What is this? Something that I can't do in Canada, but I certainly can do it in Pakistan here, and for me it is a bit of a thrill. But a disclaimer, people, always be safe, always ride safe. I have many years of experience, and for me in these sort of environments I have a 360 awareness at all times, so I'm always aware of what's behind me, what's beside me, what is in front of me, and anticipating what is to come. So don't just throw yourself into this sort of a riding environment if you're not ready for it. Something funny for you, and I don't think you're gonna believe this, but I actually find it safer and more comfortable to ride in Pakistan than I do in my own country, Canada. It may be absolute chaos, but it is an organized chaos, and in 11 months I didn't witness one single accident. And if you're riding or driving in Vancouver City in Canada, you're bound to see minimum 2 accidents a day. So there you have it, folks. This is what it is like to ride in Pakistan. So how do you survive traffic in Pakistan? You throw in some music and you go with the flow.